Join us today and make a lip pencil with our chief formulator, Jamila. We start by adding Candelilla wax at 2.8 grams. Candelilla wax is a replacement for beeswax because we do not use anything that comes from animals. We are a vegan brand. Carnauba wax is measured in 5 grams and added to the dry phase. After this, we add Castor wax, which is a softer wax in 5 grams. Then we add oxocarite. Oxocarite is a wax that helps whiten the product. This is added in 5 grams. Now we add microcrystalline in 2.5 grams to the dry phase. After which we are going to add the Steric acid in 1.5 grams. This is a combination of waxes, dry, soft, and very high in antioxidants for the base of the formula. Now we start with the wet phase. The wet phase consists of triglycerides, which is at 1.5 grams. A triglyceride is an emollient. It's great for giving conditioning to the product and to the lips. The organic jojoba oil is added in 1.5 grams. It is important to get exact measurements with this, considering it is a very small formula, but it will house approximately 100 pencils. Each pencil consists of 0.27 grams. Now we are adding an antioxidant. This is very high in free radicals and it is in 0.02%. You can see how we don't touch the beaker because this is important, because if we touch it, it'll change the weight. Now we melt the entire thing and it looks like this. Now we're adding the pigment. The pigment is pure. It is mica, lakes and salts. It is a combination of whichever color you want. Here we've decided to make a lilac pencil. The pigment is added in 20% of the formula. So you want a nice rich pigment to all the waxes and the antioxidants that you've added in the formula. And 20% will definitely suffice for giving a beautiful color with just a single stroke. Now you can see us hand mixing it with a spatula, and we are also going to use a hand blender. This is something that you would normally use for frothing your coffee, just a kitchen tool that you can use. What we normally do is we shift this into another jar and we put it into the centrifuge. The centrifuge is a great tool for binding all these products together and all these ingredients. What the centrifuge does is it rotates at an RPM of 2800 to 3700 RPM per minute. Then we melt and pour. The mold is one of the most important accessories when making any sort of cosmetic product. We take off the extra wax from the top of the mold and we are going to reuse the wax for later on for making more pencils. Now when we choose a mold, the mold has to be the exact shape of the cup holder in the pencil. So like the lipstick holder, each pencil has a cup inside of it. We remove this. This is handmade and it's done manually by Bhuvaneshwari at our studio. She carefully slides the wax upwards, removes it and places it into the cup, as you can see in the video. We push it down ever so slightly because it is still warm, and then we twist it back into the holding. Brand I hope you enjoyed this video. This is how we make our Tinge lip liners. You can shop on www.tingestore.com. We are also available on Nykaa, and we're available on Vanity Wagon and most online platforms. Please let us know in the comments below what you would like to see further from just this lip video. Hope you enjoyed.